Hey plant enthusiasts, welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we've got a treat for all you indoor plant lovers out there. We'll be diving into the world of White Knight Philodendrons and sharing some essential care tips to ensure your plants thrive and flourish. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to vibrant and healthy White Knight Philodendrons, make sure to smash that like button and let's get started. Before we jump into the care tips, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the White Knight Philodendron. The White Knight Philodendron, also known as Philodendron White Knight, is a cultivar of the philodendron plant, known for its striking variegated leaves. It's a popular choice among indoor plant enthusiasts and collectors due to its unique foliage. The leaves of the White Knight Philodendron are characterized by their glossy green color with prominent creamy white variegation, giving the plant an eye-catching and elegant appearance. This philodendron is often sought after for its aesthetic value and is used to add a touch of color and vibrancy to indoor spaces. Like other philodendron varieties, the White Knight Philodendron is relatively low maintenance and can thrive in typical indoor conditions with proper care. It's important to provide the right amount of light, water, and humidity to ensure the plant's health and vitality. Here are some important tips that should help you grow and care for this plant in your house or office. Tip 1. Light and placement. White Knight Philodendrons love bright, indirect light. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight, as it can scorch those delicate leaves. A spot near an east or north-facing window is ideal. If you have a south or west-facing window, consider using a sheer curtain to filter the light. Tip 2. Temperature and humidity. Maintaining the right temperature and humidity levels is crucial for these beauties. They thrive in temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees. Also, aim for higher humidity, around 50% or more. You can boost humidity by misting the leaves regularly, using a humidity tray, or placing a small humidifier nearby. Tip 3. Watering techniques. White Knight Philodendrons prefer slightly moist soil. Water them when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch, but be careful not to overwater, as that can lead to root rot. Remember, it's always better to underwater a bit than to overwater. Tip 4. Potting and soil. As your White Knight Philodendron grows, it might need a new home. Repot every 1 to 2 years, or when you notice the plant becoming root-bound. Use a well-draining potting mix with a blend of peat, perlite, and pine bark. And don't forget, choose a pot with drainage holes. Tip 5. Fertilization. To keep those leaves lush and vibrant, fertilize your White Knight Philodendron every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, which is spring and summer. A balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer will do the trick. And remember, always follow the recommended dosage on the label. Tip 6. Pruning and maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy plant. Prune away any yellowing or damaged leaves to encourage new growth. You can also pinch back the stems to promote bushiness. This will ensure your White Knight Philodendron remains a true showpiece. Tip 7. Troubleshooting common problems. Sometimes, even with the best care, problems can arise. If you notice brown tips on the leaves, it could be due to dry air or uneven watering. If the leaves turn yellow and mushy, you might be overwatering. And if you spot pests, like spider mites, give your plant a gentle shower and treat with neem oil. And there you have it, friends, our comprehensive guide to White Knight Philodendron care. With the right combination of light, water, humidity, and love, your White Knight will grace your space with its stunning foliage for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!